boys and girls, Mr. White here, and we are talking shapes. And what is it am I holding right here? This is a cube, and you can see that each side of this cube is a square shape. There is not a single rectangle or triangle on here. A cube is all squares. So as I look at this cube, is this cube going to roll very easily? You try. No, it just kind of clunks. But it slides. I can slide this. I have another shape here. Kind of looks like a cube a little bit, but look at this side here. It's a rectangle. This is called a rectangular prism because it's made out of rectangles. Now, not all rectangular prisms have rectangles on all sides. Some look like this. This is a really big one. There we go. You can see the square edge right here, and then the long sides are rectangles. That's also a rectangular prism. Now, rectangular prisms, like cubes, don't roll very well. And yes, this is a Jenga block, you may have noticed, but they do slide. So if I had a rectangular prism, I would have to slide it instead of rolling it. Can you guess what shape I have here? Well, it has a round top, a circle-shaped top, and the sides are all curved, and look, it rolls. What is that shape right there? That's a really big cylinder. And here comes a smaller cylinder. A cylinder is a shape that has a circle on one end, a circle on the other, and it has a curved face all the way around so that it can roll. Now look at my cube. My cube has flat faces. A cylinder has two flat faces and one curved face so that it can roll. A cube has all flat faces. Now take a look here. This is kind of a fun little pyramid. It's made out of these magnetic blocks. You may have some of these at home. I like these a lot, and my son used to play with these all the time. Now this pyramid has flat faces, though these have holes in it. We're not going to count that. And the sides are all shaped like a triangle, right? Now what's the bottom of this pyramid look like? It's a square. So this is a square pyramid that has triangle sides to it. Now let's take a look at our cube here again. This cube, as you see, has a bunch of sides. How many sides does it have? I'm not sure. We're going to try to find out. I'm going to start numbering, and we're going to count these out. Here we go. There. Every side has a number on it. And how many sides are there? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. A cube has 6 sides. How many sides do you think a rectangular prism has? Let's go ahead and number these and count those out. The rectangular prism also has 6 sides. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now with these rectangular prisms, we can call these sides flat surfaces because they are flat. If I was a little mini ant, I could walk on this pretty easily, couldn't I? It's flat. And it has 6 of these flat surfaces, if I count them all up. And this cube is easy to remember because that's just like a die. If you were to roll a die, you'd have up to 6 chances. So that's 2. I just made myself a new die that I can use, or a new dice that I can use. So these have flat surfaces, and these have 6 flat surfaces. But what about my cylinder? How many flat surfaces are on my cylinder? Well, there's one right here, and there's one right here. Now, what about this? Is this a flat surface here? No, that's a curved surface. So a cylinder has 1, 2 flat surfaces and 1 curved surface. What about a pyramid? How many flat surfaces does a pyramid have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on the bottom. 5 flat surfaces for this type of pyramid. Now I have a different pyramid. Look how tall this one is. This pyramid has a triangle base. So this has how many sides, flat sides? 1, 2, 3, and the bottom makes 4. This tall pyramid that has a triangular base has only 4 flat surfaces. This pyramid, they're sticking together, that has a rectangle base, a cube base or square base, has 5 sides, 5 flat surfaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and bottom makes 5. Now there's one more shape I want to show you, but it keeps rolling away. Oh, get back here. Oh, come on, get back. Whoa, what is that? It's gone. Come here. Uh-oh, it's rolled all the way across the table. There it is. What is this? Well, we know this commonly as a ball. But in math, we call this a sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. And does a sphere have any flat surfaces? No. Does it have any corners? No. It is only one curved surface. So on a ball or a sphere, it only has one curved surface, and that is it.